Welcome to part 4 of the Cryopod. In this video, I'll show you how I rendered this model quickly using the Materialworks and Realtime Materials add-ons. If you don't have those add-ons, that's fine. I can show you how to create basic materials. However, I highly recommend you learn the basics of Blender from a dedicated course such as those offered by the Blender Bros. We need to import the OBJ that was created in Plasticity. You can use the rotate key R to position the model how you want. Actually, how about we do just a quick crash course on setting up some materials? All you really need to worry about here is turning up metallic and adjusting the roughness and color. Just these three things will get you going. You see where it says the number 2? This means this material is being used twice. If you click that number, you will create a copy of that material. Now we will create an emissive material. Add a camera with Shift plus A. Set the camera to your current view position with Ctrl-Alt-Numpad 0. Again, that is Ctrl-Alt-Numpad 0. Move the camera in and out by selecting the camera object and pressing G for move. Then hold down the middle mouse button and move your mouse to move the camera. You can move anything the same way you do in Plasticity. Press G again for move and XYZ for the direction. We will now set our transform pivot point to the 3D cursor. Create a ground plane, S for scale. Press Ctrl-A and set the object's scale. It probably doesn't matter with the materials we are using in this example, but you always need to set the scale of your objects. Looks like we need some lights. IES lighting is very powerful and only requires a little more work to set up. I will link the page to the IES library, which also includes dedicated tutorials. Again, Ctrl-A and add an area light. We're going to track this to our object. That way, if we ever change our global pivot point, we can still move the lights relative to the model. Add an IES node to the area light. Shift D for duplicate. Now for assigning materials to individual faces, we will tab into Edit mode. Select the faces to be the new material, press Add Slot, New, and lastly Assign in the Materials tab. That is the basics of creating and assigning materials in Blender. Now back to our Cryopod. I will be using the two add-ons I previously mentioned for my own render. As you have already created everything in Plasticity, all you need to do here is assign materials to the individual objects. Remember that Shift A is to add new objects such as planes, cameras, and lights. This is me in the future. I forgot to show you how to create glass, so here is a quick explanation. To create glass, all you need to do is raise the transmission to 100% and lower roughness to 0%. If you have a character model, you can drop it inside your tank. Now I add the area light for the pod interior. You can set its shape to round. Something looks a little off. And there you have it. Thank you for watching.